let's check out this Banana Brothers, B-A-N-A Brothers Auto. And what this is a little milling device. You fill and mill a cone. So you could use this for incense, dried flowers, herbs, other natural products. You could use it to create sachets or paper cones filled with your favorite scents. It includes premium cones, a measuring cup, a zero tube, the 4-in-1 tool, rapid charging cable, fresh seal tube, a snap cap, and an adapter base. And it just fits on there like that. Let me grab the other things it comes with. Here's some cones. You get your cones in here. So you get 3 standard king size cones, but you get 6 shorty size cones, which are 84 millimeters. And then these are the standard ones, and these are unbleached, pure and natural, both of them. And here are your accessories, and it's even marked accessories here in the black box. A little brushed also. Your little tube, little cup, your USB-C charging cord, and your little cap. Yeah, pretty cool. You could do a lot of fun with this, crafts, or make what you want to mix up with your herbs. This was given as a sample for review.